There are new warrants from the International Criminal Court for Russian murderers. Shoigu, Gerasimov, your path to The Hague is cleared.
The International Criminal Court issued arrest warrants for former Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu and Chief of the General Staff Valery Gerasimov. The judges found reasonable grounds to believe that the two suspects bear responsibility for missile strikes carried out by the Russian armed forces against the Ukrainian electric infrastructure from at least the 10th of October 2022 until at least the 9th of March in 2023. These shots were taken in Kyiv on the 10th of October 2022. That day, Russia attacked Ukraine with a wave of 84 cruise missiles and 24 suicide drones, striking 14 regions of Ukraine. On that day, around 30% of the energy infrastructure in Ukraine had been damaged by the attacks. Russia started to use energy as a weapon against Ukrainians, and continues to.
Now, Ukraine is suffering from the most destructive form of Russia's vision of energy as a weapon. Russian missile and drone strikes have already destroyed 9 gigawatts of power, while Ukraine's peak energy consumption last winter was 18 gigawatts. Half of it is now gone.
Sergei Shoigu served as Russia's Minister of Defense from 2012 to 2024. While he was in power, Russia started 2 wars, both in Ukraine in 2014 and again in Syria in 2015.
Russia's armed forces will continue to liberate Russian territories from neo-Nazis.
Sergei Shoigu and self-proclaimed Russian President Vladimir Putin shared a close relationship and were known to fish and hike together, but despite their ties, Shoigu was suddenly removed from his long-kept position and replaced by Andrei Belousov. Valery Gerasimov has been the chief of the General Staff of the Russian Armed Forces since 2012, and the commander of Russian forces in the invasion of Ukraine since 2023. Under his command, the Russian military supported Syrian government forces. Gerasimov has also played a crucial role in capturing Crimea in 2014.
Special attention will be paid to the groups in Crimea.
The ICC arrest warrant means that Russian commanders can now potentially be detained and prosecuted in the 124 countries that have ratified the Rome Statute.
So we have made clear that there have been atrocities committed by Russian forces in their illegal invasion of Ukraine, and that there ought to be accountability for those atrocities. We support a range of international investigations into Russia's atrocities in Ukraine, including the one conducted by the ICC.